How to create space in ClickUp. So first, open up ClickUp, and then you can just click on the plus icon here at the left side. Next is click on space here. Okay, now here you just need to type in your name, the name of the space. So I'm just going to name this space example 1, and then here as for the description, this is optional. And then as for the default permission, you can just select here among the drop down which permission you're going to choose. And then here, if you want to make it private, you can do that. Just toggle this on. And then if you want to use templates for the space, you can do that. Just click on use templates, but I'm not going to do that. So once you've done all of that, you can just click on continue. Then here, just define your workflow. What is this? Is this starter for everyday tasks, for marketing teams, project management, or product plus engineering? Just select one. And then here, if you want to customize your defaults for starter, you can do that. Just click on one of these and then just toggle on what you want to see on for each one. Okay, so you can see, so let's say I'm going to want to toggle on calendar. Click on that, and then just say I'm going to, as for the task statuses, if you want to add new ones here, you can just click on that, add status. Okay, so add the name if you want. And then as for the ClickUp apps or Click apps, you can just click on that and choose any of the apps here. Okay, so once you've done all of that, you can just click on create space, and then let's just wait for ClickUp to create the space. Okay, and now here you go. Now as you can see, I've toggled on calendar before. As you can see, now there's calendar here at the top. Okay, so that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.